Once upon a time in a faraway kingdom, there lived a wise and just king who ruled over a magnificent palace. The palace was filled with laughter and music, as it was home to the beloved Princess Lily, who was adored by all. She was kind-hearted and always sought to help others, and she had a muse that filled the kingdom with joy. However, in a dark forest nearby, there resided a mysterious and cranky witch who despised happiness. Her name was Grizelda, and she was known for her mischievous and trickery ways. The laughter and cheer from the palace had always annoyed her ears so greatly that one day she decided she couldn't stand it any longer. With a flick of her long, gnarled wand, Grizelda cast a powerful spell over the entire palace. A shimmering wave of magic drifted down like a silent cloud over the kingdom. The moment it touched the palace ground, everyone within its walls fell into a deep, enchanted sleep, everyone except Grizelda, who laughed wickedly as she vanished back into her shadowy woods. The palace was silent, only the soft breeze moved through the beautiful gardens, causing the flowers to sway gently along. Princess Lily lay asleep on a grand velvet sofa, her golden hair fantastically framed by the moonlight streaming from the window. Days turned into weeks, and the kingdom's people grew worried when no messages or news came from their king. Stories of the sleeping palace began to spread until they reached the ears of a young and adventurous prince named Leo. He was known for his bravery and having a heart filled with true goodness. Prince Leo rode valiantly through the countryside on his noble steed, traveling through thick forests and climbing steep mountains until he saw the spires of the spellbound palace. Upon arrival, he noticed not a soul moving, a strange hush over the grand halls and splendid rooms. As he carefully made his way to the royal chamber, he felt the weight of silence and the eerie presence of the magic spell. There in the chamber, he finally discovered Princess Lily, resting under the enchantment spell. Determined to wake the palace from its slumber, Prince Leo kneeled gently beside the princess. Remembering tales he had heard as a child, he softly kissed her on her forehead. Miraculously, the magic spell unraveled, like a thread being pulled from an old sweater. Slowly, the palace began to awaken. The king and his people stretched and yawned, wondering what had come over them. The enchanted gardens bloomed even more brightly, and the joyful songs resumed throughout the enchanted kingdom. Grateful for breaking the spell, the king thanked Prince Leo with a grand feast and invited him to stay at the palace in celebration of the kingdom's newfound blessing. Princess Lily and Prince Leo became great friends, and the kingdom continued to thrive in happiness and harmony. As for the mischievous Witch Grizelda, she was never seen again. Perhaps she grew tired of her trickery or realized that happiness wasn't so bad after all. And so, the sleepy kingdom rejoiced and lived happily ever after, ever grateful to the brave heart of Prince Leo.